Yo guys, welcome back to Frank Clips 3.0. Super not super bringing another video. Now today we are at a buffet and we're leaving and it's pouring.
Holy moly, it's raining cats,
It's
dogs,
raining.
and a zoo.
Can you guys?
Seriously though.
You guys, I'll show you outside in a second. I'll be right there. Pause the video. That guy with his Tesla in the rain, bro. Dude, bro. That is raining so bad. Alright, the car's over there, so we're gonna go get that. Okay, let's go do this. Dude, man, though, bro.
Okay, go in and I'll go all
That sound though. Let me. Oh my god. Hi. Oh. Fortune.
Scoot over here. Everyone can get in. I want you can sit.
It's wet. You know when I said my description, sometimes vlogs, this is what I meant. Sometimes. When cool things happen. Look at this rain. Look at this. Look at this right now. Can you believe this? All night wet. Wet. Okay, that'll do it for the video. Peace out.